Hello, and today, Football Me is going to show you how to, fix a dead Game Boy GBA cartridge battery. Like, as you can see right here. I've already fixed this one, and I'm going to show you how it looks. How it looks like when you have a dead battery. Start up as usual, and then the internal battery has run dry. The game can be played, however, clock-based events will no longer occur. And there you go. Now, what would happen with a good battery is it will just jump straight to the title screen. And no message. Now, this is a tutorial on how to do it without a soldering iron and just some electrical tape, a new battery, and a screwdriver, or flathead preferred. And it's super easy. Let me get this one open and show you how it looks like. Now, as you open it, you get it, and you use the flathead and get into one of the grooves and twist. So it's an easy turn. So you don't have to get a tri-wing screwdriver to open one of these. Now, it's pretty tense because it is kind of thicker than, and how's it supposed to be. Slide it down and pull out. It's kind of tense, but if it's way too tense where it feels like it's about to snap, then you need to remove some tape or get the thing flatter. See? It runs perfectly, but you have to have time, you have to have patience to do this, because if you do it wrong, you screw the whole thing up. It is pretty hard to get back on, but just don't make it too tense, or then the whole thing gets screwed up. Now, let me open this one up and show you how it looks like without it changed. I just took off the screw. You pull it down, and take it off, and that's how it looks like. And these four prongs here that go into the battery, you need to carefully take it out with the smallest flathead you get, and try not to break it. You need time and dedication to do this, because if you screw this whole thing, you can break the prong and screw it up very, very badly. It is very, very hard to do, and you can break the whole entire thing, and then you would have to buy soldering iron and all that if you don't have that. The top one was very, very hard for me. The bottom one wasn't that hard, but it will take a while to do. Oh, there goes one. You'll hear these pops. There you go. Oh, it was a bit easier for me this time. The bottom one, it's kind of scary doing it this way. You stick it under the battery. Kind of not doing it that carefully, but twist it up and down, and it should come out. I am standing right now, so you should have it like on the flat floor, but it doesn't matter what happens to the battery. The battery you don't need anymore. It's what's under it that you have to worry about. but after this, you'll have a good battery. And the good thing about this, you just take off the tape. You don't have to touch those prongs again. Take out the battery, put a new one, and boom. Perfectly good new battery again. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes two. To get that last two. There we go. The battery's off. There it is. Now, you get the new battery. You put the positive side like this. Now, as you can see, the prongs are very, very dented. So what I did is I try to flatten them out as much as I can. And right here, I have this broken scissor, and the metal's very strong. So, boom, flat. Then I grab the battery, positive side down, put this on top. Now, I do not put the electrical tape next. You put the electrical tape last, but actually, no. I take that back. You put it on second. The reason why the battery is in now, so is that you can flatten the whole thing out, so that when you put on the tape, it will be an easy, snug fit. Now, you take out the battery and keep it how it is like that, so that the battery snug fits in. Now, what you do with the electrical tape, you get out some, if I can find it, there it is. You take out some of it, not too much and not too little. About that much should be fine. Get your scissors. I shouldn't be explaining this, self-explanatory. Cut it off. Now what you do, grab the cartridge, and you stick it under all the prongs, just like that. You grab your battery, put it in, and then you cover it back up. Don't use too much tape. Like, look. So, you cut off the excess tape, and boom. You put it all back together. If it's 2/10, you have to take off some of that. You gotta cut off some of the edges. Like, on my emerald file, I put too much tape on this side and it wouldn't let me close it. And that's why it was a little bit tense. But, you know, this one was a snug one. And push it in, push it back up. There we go. Grab the screw. And put it in. Screw it back up. And let me get this screwed up and I'll see you guys. As you can see, it is very, very tense to do. Like, you'll hear these things. You need to get it in all the way because it won't fit into the Game Boy. Like, if you were using a Game Boy, a DS Lite, you can use it because, you know, the whole cartridge doesn't actually go in. And one last screw should do it. And seems good enough. Now you should see. And if you did put it in the wrong way, like on my emerald file, I checked it both ways. And there you go. That's how to fix. That's how to fix. That's how to fix your dead battery inside your Game Boy. No message. See you guys next time.